My Account, Account Details. This tab is an overview of your company's contact information. It is important to update this information should changes occur. This information is used to create your invoices and other documentation. The information contained in the upper portion include your name, email address, and your telephone numbers. It also includes your company name and your time zone. When you log in the first time, please take a moment to make sure that the information contained here is correct. At the bottom, you will see your login information, including when you last logged in. To change or update your contact information, click Edit Details. Change or update the necessary information by clicking in the text fields. When finished, please remember to click Save to update the system completely. Please note, fields marked with an asterisk are required and must be filled out. Clicking this checkbox will hide the email address from all users except for managers. Typically, you would make the email addresses of your freelance suppliers private. This is important when considering new data privacy regulations. Again, remember to click Save to update the system. Let's look at how you can edit your login information. To edit your login information, click on Edit Login/Profile. Here, you can edit your user ID, or you can change your password. Be sure to follow the rules shown below. You will have to re-enter your new password a second time for verification. Click OK to save your changes. Clicking here will open your company calendar. Again, those with the manager's account will have access to all calendars. We will look at the calendar and the planning tools in more depth later.